Tasya Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhasya. Homage to the Blessed One, homage to the Perfected One, homage to the fully awakened One. Dear friends, today I would like to sharing with you a reflection on metta. The term metta is Pali word. In Sanskrit and Bengali language, metta is known as Maitri. Literally, metta translated into English as loving kindness, loving friendliness, benevolence, enmity or goodwill. Emphasizing on the practice of morality, sila and mindfulness, sati, the word metta describes as loving awareness. Without developing mindfulness, the practice of metta has never been evolved. The notion of mindfulness is incorporated by morality. The concept of mindfulness is explained into two ways. They are right mindfulness and wrong mindfulness. Right mindfulness is incorporated by morality or practicing precepts. The Buddha delineated a standard format of morality through introducing a vow of 5 precepts. What are the 5 precepts? The 5 precepts are abstaining from killing, abstaining from stealing, abstaining from sexual misconduct, abstaining from lying, and abstaining from taking intoxicants. Dependent observation of 5 precepts are part of mindful practice. It is a mindful path for continuing the mind with the full awakening from unethical action. Through continuing to observe 5 precepts, one can strengthen his wholesome quality. How does morality practice help to evolve his wholesome quality? A moral action always leads the mind to continue its wholesome state from unwholesome or unethical action. Practicing morality always continues to awake the mind for carrying on his duty of right action. When his mindfulness practice of 5 precepts evolved, his mind attained in the state of metta. The power of metta is so strong that the mind stays away from hatred, jealousy, anger, or greed. Therefore, metta practitioner agreed to say that the observation of metta and mindfulness practice always grow together. What is the standard form of metta practice? The standard form of metta is based on one's wholesome quality, ethical perfection, and mindfulness development. Describing the standard form of metta practice, the Buddha mentioned it in Discourse of Loving Kindness or Metta Sutta. Even as a mother protects with her life her child, her only child, so with a boundless heart should one cherish all living beings, radiating kindness over the entire world. A mother's love and compassion to her offspring is incomparable. A mother's love to her son and daughters is also pure, benevolent, and unconditional. The love of a mother is a standard simile on how to extend metta to each other. Also, a mother's love is pure by heart, pure by intention, and pure by thought. In the same way, one should extend metta with pure heart, pure intention, and pure thought. With the heart of metta, Let us continue the practice of metta. May the power of metta goes beyond all boundaries of religion, culture, geography, nationality, and language. May the power of metta lead the society in peace, solidarity, and tranquility. May all beings be happy. Thank you all.